Hi, my name is Kai and I'm from by Kai, and today we're making a tuna melt using La Familia garlic loaf. Garlic bread is traditionally used as a side. However, I think there is an opportunity to turn it into a sandwich or a bruschetta. What I love about this tuna mix, it has this lovely mouthfeel. It has the creaminess of the mayonnaise, the crunchiness of the onions, and then the saltiness of the capers. It's beautiful. Garlic bread can be a very versatile product. And when used throughout the menu, it gives you the opportunity to value add and increase your profit. In this recipe, I choose to use Swiss cheese. The reason being that it has a great melting quality and the oil doesn't run out. This is one of my favorite recipes. The crunchy, beautiful garlic bread topped with the soft tuna mix and glazed with the melted cheese. Perfect.